Hello everyone, in this video I am making a Lotus flower sticker and I am going to show you step by step how you can make it as well. For this user, I am not an expert in sticker making and drawing, so without any delay, let's get started. To make this sticker, I am using a sticker paper, a pencil, markers and pencil colors. First, I am going to cut the sticker paper into a small piece. And now I am going to draw the lotus flower using a pencil. Now I am going to use marker on the outline. And now I am going to erase the outline using an eraser. After that, it's time for coloring. Now that the design is ready, we can now cut it into a sticker. As you can see, the sticker is now ready. And now I am going to peel this sticker. That's all for this video. I hope you like it.